same when it comes to preparedness at the stations with the onset of summers. More than 9,000 additional train trips are to be operated. My colleague Sameer Dikshit is joining in with more details on that.
The massive rush in the summer season has brought in great challenge for the national transporter, Indian Railways. If you go by the social media viral post, the various pictures and the videos surfaced, you will find that the Railways is going through a tough time. They are not able to supply enough number of seats. They are not able to run enough number of trains to cater to the huge demand. Moreover, the passengers, those who are having their confirmed reserve ticket, they are also facing challenge even to reaching to their confirmed berth or even while using the amenities. So there are multiple challenges, and that is the reason that now passengers are switching. They are opting to the social media to share their grievances, to share their problems. And now Railways has come into action. They have shared an action plan which they are implementing. The action plan suggests that Railways will be running additional train, and the additional train trips will be more than 9,000. To be precise, 9,111 train trips will be run by Indian Railways. In addition to this, skilled RPF professional will be deputed. They will be monitoring the CCTV at the control room in the stations. In addition to this, the RPF personnel, the GRP personnel will also be deployed at footovers to avoid any bad situation like stampede. In addition to this, senior railway officials at the stations, they will be deployed so as to ensure that the passengers are able to commute, they are able to reach to the train properly, and also those who are having confirmed ticket, they can at least reach to their berth and they can travel. So these sort of steps have been taken by Railways, but if you see the larger picture, it clearly shows that there is a massive demand, especially during the summer season, and the demand and supply gap is also huge, and that is one of the big factors that you can see that many people, they are now using X platform to share their problems, and which also brings bad name to the national transporter.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.